In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade the high impact news, and by the end of this video, you decide whether you trade it or you leave it. Let's go. When you open your TradingView chart just like this, you look on your right hand side of your TradingView chart. Look at calendars, click on it. Now put this page on full screen mode. Now what you have to do first is to come and click on countries. You click on this sign, the world sign. Click on countries. You have to search, you have to be knowing which currency pairs do you trade. What currency pairs do you trade? For me, I trade Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, and gold. So in this case, you know what you trade. So you have to choose by countries, not by currency. You choose by country. So here, you type a country. Since I trade Euro USD, I have to search for USA. You search for USA. It will appear here. Click on it. Click apply. So when you click here, countries, it is already indicated here. So come again. I also trade Euro USD. Since I have already chose USD, that is the currency pair for USA. So I have to look for Euro. What do we search for Euro? We search for European Union. So you put Euro. It will appear here. European Union. That is the country or countries that uses Euro as their currency pair, as their currency. So you click on it and click apply. I also trade GBP JPY, Great Britain, Japanese yen, Great Britain pound, and Japanese yen. So what do we search? Since we are searching for countries, I have to search for United Kingdom. It is already here. United Kingdom. Click on it and click apply. So the Great Britain pound is the currency pair for United Kingdom. What do I trade? That is gold. I also trade gold. You just search for gold. So gold, it is not here, since it is not a country. Gold, it is not here. What do we do here? Next, what is last? I also trade GBP JPY, GBP Great Britain pound, and Japanese yen. So Japanese yen, Great Britain pound is already here, but Japanese yen, it is not here. So I have to search for Japan. Japan is here. Click on it and click apply. That is it. Those are 4 countries that represents the currency pairs that I trade. So these are 4 countries. I trade 4 currency pairs. The last one is gold, but gold is not here, since it is not a country. It is not here. So you just leave it and click apply. If you want also, you trade Canadian dollar versus US dollar, you just search for Canada. It is already here. You click on it, apply. It happens here. It is indicated here. But for me, I don't trade Canadian dollar. So I remove it and click apply. So that is it. You have finished step 1. The step 2 is to come and click here, choose a country where you currently live. Choose a country where you currently live. If you are in the United States of America, you choose United States. If you are in Canada, you choose Canada. Or where Nigeria. Anywhere. For me, I live here. That's where I choose that one. Another one, come here, category, all categories here. You leave it as it is. Make sure you follow them as I show you. So why do we choose the country where we currently live? Because when the news comes, it will show you, they will show you the news in your current time zone. In your current time zone. That's why we choose the country where we currently live. So this, we have finished this step. So the next step, you come and choose this. So we have this. It can't. So yeah, there is a network sign here. As you can see here, a network sign. You can click on it. This is, when you click on it and turn black. When it turns black, you have activated the high impact news. Only high importance or high impact news. That means TradingView will only show you the high impact news, not medium, not low, only high impact news. That is it. Now you have finished to set up your news settings. Now what do? We go back at the TradingView chart. We have now finished. You check these countries, you know now we have finished everything. That is it. Now we go back to our TradingView chart. I'm just on a live market. I'm on a live market right here. I'm waiting for price to come back here. I enter. Yeah, I'm waiting it to come back here. Then I enter. So that's how we set our news settings. So here, every news that will happen, they will show you here. But let me show you how to set it. Come to settings, click on settings right here. Come on economic events. Check it, economic event, and press OK. So economic event, when you click it, every news on a daily basis that is going to happen, they will show you here on your TradingView chart below. Make sure you check your TradingView below your TradingView chart. They will be showing it to you here. Like here, when here you see a dollar sign. That means there is a news that is going to happen on USD pairs, So when you click on it, it will be showing you the type of news that is going to happen. Durable goods orders. That is the type of news that is going to happen on, that is here, 27 July 2026. So remember that this time they show you this time in 24-hour clock system. In 24-hour clock system, that's why you can see this 15:30. That is 3:30 p.m. That is 3:30 p.m. in my time zone. Yeah, that is it. So now you know everything about news. Now it is your law to choose whether you trade it or not. And when this is 15:30 p.m., when it arrives, it is your choice to trade it or to leave it. And I'm advising you to trade the news before 15 minutes after the news. To enter any trade 15 minutes after the news. That is it. And don't trade the news 15 minutes before. Don't enter any position 15 minutes before and 15 minutes. And you have to enter 15 minutes after the news. That is it. For me, that's what I do. Because I don't want to trade the news. I don't want to trade the news because they are always manipulated. You enter for a buy, they stop you out. You enter for a sell, they stop you out. That's why I don't want to trade the news. So that is it for today. No magic, no fancy, just real value. Thank you for watching.